What's up, pool pros? My name is CT from Hayward, and today we're going to be unboxing the Super Pump Variable Speed 600 series with OmniX capability from Hayward. Now, this is one of the first 3 items coming with OmniX capability from Hayward, a revolutionary new system that allows you to add automation to pool pads that don't already have it. Coming soon, we're going to have an entire ecosystem of pumps, filters, lights, and even more that go with OmniX, and this is our first step into that journey. So with all that being said, let's jump right into the unboxing. And with that out of the box, let's take a look and see what we got inside. First off, got a nice little piece of packing foam. Hayward's trying to make sure everything stays intact during shipping. Pull out a couple dividers. All right, first off, got a couple joints, a little bit of Teflon tape to help your installer install it into whatever sort of plumbing configuration the pool pad may have. Next up, we have our instruction manual, always very important, just in case you want to take a look back and remember exactly how to install one of these. And finally, the big boy itself. The 600 series variable speed super pump from Hayward. Now, as you can see, it is identical to the 600 series, except for one small detail. If you notice here, we've got our OmniX transmitter. This allows you to connect to your pump with your phone via the OmniX app and control it via Bluetooth. If you'd like to learn more about all of our OmniX products or any of our future OmniX products coming to the ecosystem, visit hayward.com/OmniX, and we'll see you in the pool.